So sometimes with your Glowforge, you will get different colored buttons depending on what's going on with it. This is a magenta type color. This is usually some sort of recovery mode that's going on with your Glowforge. And the best thing to do to fix this is to just turn it off. Make sure it is turned off before you move your head over it. So just kind of reset things, moving it over to the left and moving the bar back as far as it goes. Usually is a basic reset. So go ahead and do that and turn your machine back on, and you should get that magenta color, the recovery, back to where it should be, and you should be able to go ahead and print your project as normal. So if you have any questions regarding any of the other colors that your Glowforge is displaying, just let me know, and we can kind of go through all the different things that that could possibly mean. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.